So some of you wonderful people interested in learning Luxembourgish are in situations where you're unable to go to an actual physical classroom to learn it, or understandably, you might not want to go to a classroom at the moment. Yes, I've changed my shirt. Or you're currently in a city that is under lockdown. Maybe you're in a quarantine situation because you've been in contact with someone who has the virus. But just because we are sitting ducks waiting for this virus to go by doesn't mean we don't get to enjoy ourselves and start learning Luxembourgish or continue to learn Luxembourgish. So join us for a Skype course. We currently have beginner classes on Wednesdays at 8 p.m. or Thursdays at 12:30 p.m. As long as your internet connection works, you'll be able to participate. If you want to learn Luxembourgish with humor, please click on the link below, and I look forward to seeing you there. I've changed my shirt.